All right, most of us who have been following this case have been waiting for this day, and that's to hear from Maya herself. My legal panel today is here to break it all down. With me is trial attorney Afi Patterson and criminal defense attorney and Florida State Representative Michael Gottlieb. Thank you so much for joining me. What are some of the takeaways from Maya's testimony so far that's pivotal to this case? Afi, I'm going to start with you.
Thank you. Okay, so I'm listening to her testify, and I'm wondering about the hospital. What due diligence did they do? I feel like her diagnosis is a symptom. Did they investigate what the cause was, what the trigger was for this rare flare-up? Did they go online? Did they figure out, or did they question whether the trigger could be a regional issue? She mentioned that she was getting treatment in Mexico and that she met another young girl who had a similar diagnosis. So my question is then, does this normally happen in children, or is it something that happens in adults and children? And I just wonder what due diligence the hospital did to try and research this disease, and to try, or were they just completely focused on proving that she was an abused child?
Michael, the plaintiff is focusing on Maya's ketamine infusion with Dr. Cantu and how she felt after using it. Why is that so important for the jury to hear, you think?
Because the cure worked, and the hospital was making this allegation that the family was perhaps harming this child. It is a new and a novel way to treat people, and it's just now becoming widely accepted in the United States. But for them to make an unfounded allegation that the parents were harming their child simply because the hospital didn't yet know or understand this medical technique doesn't make sense. She's clearly healed. She looks great. She sounds great. I think she's winning the case for them. She's a happy, smiling person who was cured by this ketamine dosage.
Yeah, she seems very credible and very lovely and very poised on the stand for a 17-year-old. And by the way, the gallery was so packed today because of Maya that the judge opened up another courtroom to be used as an overflow. And we're going to hear more from her in just a moment, but we do have to take a quick break here.